Good morning, good morning. See if I have all of these set up properly. Looking good. I don't know why everything is resetting like that. It's kind of funny. Alright. Let me put up my disclaimer. Backslash disclaimer. Alright, please take a read of this. Good morning. Let me share this link. Alright, I'll go over everything in a second. Alright, trading's risky. Trading futures is super risky. Make sure you know what you're doing. What I'm showing here is my auto trading algorithm. But again, please do your research before doing anything that could be risky to you. I'm up $475 so far today, and I missed another trade, so it really would have been $525. Let's go over the trades that have already happened. ES Knight had a win here. It got long around 2 a.m. NQ Night Zones had a few trades. This is going to be so far back. It had 2 trades. I missed the first one. So here's 1, 2. I missed the first one. I got the second one. I thought I had it set up, and then I realized I didn't. And then what's the third? Oh, NQ Night Range. NQ. Is it on the same as early? Here we go. NQ Night Range right here. Hit that pretty quickly. So very nice. So I'm up $475. It's 9:27 a.m. on September 11th. Remembering, I thought about that last night. I said, oh, it's tomorrow, September 11th. Please make sure you hit that thumbs up button as you come in. Good morning. Good morning. I love seeing all the messages. Remember, tomorrow is the last day for the Apex sale. Jen is finally back from vacation. I'm so happy. She will be live this afternoon, but just as a heads up, tomorrow is the last day for the Apex sale, so I'm sure she'll go into that, and then she'll go into it today and tomorrow, and I will try to remember as much as I can as well. If you missed the student call, you missed a lot. I don't know what to tell you. Some people, there were 57 people on the student call this morning. Yes, that was, Jared, that was the trade. I'm going to get on TikTok here in a second. But anyway, so 4 for 4 overnight. Easily could have been 5 for 5 if I had my strategy on. Whatever. Also, oh, I didn't show you this other one. Oil on chop took a long, and I made 200 here. It got long at 87.56 outside of the chop zone. Perfect. I'll start doing that. Okay, cool. All right, I need to get live. Yeah, so anyway, the student call was awesome. There's a little bit of a difference. If you notice, contracts are changing this week. It's something we're going to be talking about a lot. So we were on September. Now we're moving to December. If you've already been switched to December, it's fine. There's no big deal. But if you have not, you will probably be moved in the next few days. I'm going to switch everything to December starting tomorrow. It's 9:30, so I'm going to get live here on TikTok. Move this up. I hope you guys had a great weekend. I have pretty much everything running. ZB we got rid of over the weekend. It just wasn't living up to the hype. So that, but I'm still running. Am I running RTY range live today? I think I changed it to Thursdays only. Is this on Sim? I kind of want to check. Oh, yeah, it is. Cool. All right, RTY is now Thursday only. All right, the market's open. I'm on TikTok if you want to head over there or be on both. Thanks, Jen. So happy you're back. So happy. Good morning, good morning. It is Monday, September 11th. Thinking about all those amazing, sweet people that lost their life. How many years ago now? 2001. Y'all, I was a little baby. Not a real baby. I was a young adult. Is it 12 years? That is a long time. No, 20, what am I saying? 12. 22 years. That's insane. It's crazy when you think about like certain stuff like that, and it's like, oh, we're pretty much just like back where we were. So we already talked about what we're looking for here on the student call. If you're a student of mine, you have an idea of what we're looking for. Fossils. It's so crazy how long ago that was, right? So we just have to stay patient, wait for the play to come to us. I'm not in any...
Order submitted.
I am. I'm in YM on bold zones.
Target filled.
And ES early as well. Well, YM already hit. YM here. I know this background's kind of bright. Hi, good morning. YM hit target here on the long. ES zones early is here, and it's in a long. Let's see if that hits target. It was right before I joined the military. I know, I was a freshman in college, and I remember, and this is like so like annoyingly sad. Like I remember when stuff was just coming out, and then we were like, oh, we might not have class tomorrow, and we were like essentially celebrating that we weren't having class. And now we look back and I'm like, oh my god, that's such a jackass thing. Even like the next day we were like, oh, that was such a jackass thing to like, you know, be like excited about. But we didn't. I don't think we had class for like 2 days after that. A lot of people, and then even if you guys remember the guy and like his son that went on that rampage in like DC and Northern Virginia, that was like, was it the same year or the next year? It might have been the next year. And our campus was shut down for that too. Like, it might have been the same year. That might have been like spring of 2002. Aw, Will, we're the same age. When I tell you 2001 was, I usually say this is like my most favorite year, you know, outside of like having a baby and stuff. But besides being a mom, 2001 was probably the best year of my life. John Lee Malvo. Yeah, was that his name? It was crazy. You were in DC? It was crazy because I went to school in Virginia, so we weren't that close to it, but it was like mayhem. I remember how crazy that was. YM is 5 out of 6 green days. Nice, Mike. Yeah, the DCs. I know, Miguel, I didn't want to say that word on the TikTok live stream and then get in trouble. ES is still in this long, green $112. But yes, exactly. You've been trading more than some young adults have been alive, right? But yeah, you're correct, Miguel. Junior year of college and first semester in my frat, 2K1 was lit. Yes, y'all, 2001 was it. It was it. It was my senior year of high school, like the end of like my, you know, second half of high school, which was so fun because like, did we even go to class? And then we had like a senior barbecue and then senior week down at the beach, like the best times. And then that summer, of course, you did nothing but like shop for college. And then we went to college, and that was like the best. The best. Thanks for the little hearts on YouTube. I appreciate it. Please tap that screen. If you're new here, my name's Lauren. I go live every day. I'm getting off on a tangent here, but there's not much going on other than this ES long on zones. What's NQ doing?
Target filled.
Oh, whoa. Did we see that? That was fast. Was that ES early? No. ES early is in a long, though. Ooh, let me scoot you over. $187 here. What else hit target? Something else. Oh, NQ early. NQ early already hit target. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I want to move this over, but it's... I gotta see.
Target filled.
All right, target filled on ES as well. So ES early, $312. I'm up $862 on the day now. And then NQ early, eggs, 1 for 1. We need eggs in the chat. We need... What do we do for ES now? Apples? Green apples? Jen's on that. Green apples and eggs in the chat. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So yeah. Oh, what a surprise. It's 9:35. Bold zones. RTY is in a long. ES zones is in a long. That's it right now. RTY is in a long up top. That's the one in the top here. And then ES zones. But anyway, I'm glad I finished up my story just in time for us to have some very nice trades. Let's go, Mike M. I love it. Yes. Yes, Irma, you are correct. So NQ night was 1 for 1, ES night was 1 for 1, NQ early is 1 for 1, ES early is 1 for 1. Again, also today is the second to last day of the Apex sale. The 80% sale is ending tomorrow. Jen will be live this afternoon talking about it, but we need to remember if you're looking to get any more Apex accounts, you have to do that by tomorrow. Use the coupon code SAVE80. NQ night 1 for 1, ES night 1 for 1, NQ early 1 for 1, ES early 1 for 1. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, $3,700. I can finally get a payoff on the bot. Nice, Miguel. Nice, but that's not where you post that. Are you posting your picture too, Miguel, or are you just posting letters? Because we need a picture. Let's get a picture in there, Miguel. All I heard was target filled. That's all we need to hear, okay, Michael? That's all we need to hear. Good morning, good morning. If you're new here, how are returns on each over the last 30 days? So it depends. I can break down some of these. What, we're on the 11th? So we'll do NQ later, early, ES early. ES early has been, is that in the right area? Oh yeah. 400, and this is with minimum contracts. 800. Is this ES Rage the early one? Yeah. Minus 100. 700 on ES early. And this is the smallest size contracts. I'm taking like 5 minis, so I'm taking a larger sizing. If you want more info, you can email me. I can also send you some breakdowns there. Obviously, what's the saying? Historical
target filled,
or target filled on RTY zones. That what is the saying? Past results are not indicative of future guarantees or whatever. Also, we're going into quarter 4, which is the best quarter. I say this all the time. It is the best quarter. I am pumped. Also, is anyone running Santa? GC had a win too. GC is shorts only, so it should have not traded unless I'm seeing the wrong thing. Nope, as I said. Please make sure your settings are correct, people. I know there was updates this weekend. You have Santa on, no trades. Nice. Nice. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. I go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30, and then Jen goes live 2 to 3 p.m., all Eastern Standard Time. All I heard was target filled. Nice job, Michael. I know I want to post my results, but like I don't want to move my account stuff over. So NQ night 1 for 1, ES night 1 for 1, NQ early 1 for 1, ES early 1 for 1. Student call is playing out. Ooh.
Order submitted.
Let me see.
Target filled.
Oh, we already got a target filled somewhere else. NQ early's in a short. Let's get it. Drop. Also, this is the student play. Where? ES early is in a short too. ES and NQ are both in shorts here, but this is the student call that's playing out. We could go a little lower. We could go a little lower than hit those targets. This is literally exactly what I said to my students, which is why things can overlap a little bit as far as the algo and the student calls, but let's see if we can get a little bit of a drop here. A little bit more of a drop. We'll hit those, and then we can play the student call. A little bit lower. Here we go. ES is back to entry. A little bit lower. There we go. A little lower. A little lower. There we go. NQ's in the green. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Target filled.
Target filled on NQ. ES is about to hit target. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. All right, so eggs are 2 for 2 now. We need some more eggs, y'all. We're hungry on a Monday, and I need some more apples, okay? Let's go. Give me that ES. Come on, ES. Give it to me. 82.50. I want it. Come on. Come on. Just down a little more. 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 2 more ticks. I just need 2 more ticks from you, ES. You can do it. 2 more ticks. Come on. Come on. 2 more. You can do it. You can do it. 1 more tick. 1 more tick. That's it. That's it. That's it. Fill. 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 Come on. Come on, Phil. Come on. 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 Let's go, ES. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 2 more ticks. 2 more ticks down. 2 more ticks.
Order submitted.
2 more ticks. 2 more ticks. RTY is in a long. Come on, ES. You see how I got there? Do you see this wick? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. 2 more ticks. 2 more ticks. 2 more ticks. 2 more ticks, ES. 2 more. There's a good thing and a bad thing about ES. ES, you don't get much slippage because it's so, like, volume heavy. But then on situations like this, there's obviously a lot of people also waiting to get filled at the same place that I am because it's, again, so volume heavy. Come on. 2 more ticks. 1 more tick. 1 more tick. 1 more tick, ES. You got this. You got it. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come down. Come down. 2 more ticks. 2 more ticks. ES. You know you want to. Come on. Listen, I feel like when I don't look at her, she does better than when I look at her. Maybe I'll just give her some privacy. I'm glad I don't have RTY on.
Target filled.
See, when I don't watch, she gives me what I want. I am now green $625 on ES. I'm green $125 on ES night. I'm green $100 on NQ night. I'm green $150 on NQ early. I'm green $200 on oil. I'm green $1,250 on the day. And it's 9:43. This is what I'm saying every single day. I don't need more than this. I said this on the call. That's what I was saying. Pink's in at $300 short. Nice. We need eggs and apples all over the chat. All over. Let's go. I'm so glad I'm not in that RTY. Normally I would be. Normally I would be. I wonder. Access. Oh, that's better. That's probably because you get a disruption between Apex. If you pay for the algo, do you get access to the student calls? No, Laura. Laura, I thought you joined last week, or you were joining last week, or something like that. The student calls are totally separate. The student calls are part of the digital mentorship. There are two things that I offer, an algo and a manually trading. So I can teach you how to manually trade. You can manually trade. You can join the student calls, or you can have the algorithm trade for you. Fully have the ability for that to... I wonder where the YM chop is, because that might actually get me in a trade. No, it's not. So that's the difference. You can obviously do both if you want. A lot of people do that. Like there are 275 people in the group, and then
Order filled.
I also
Order
have
filled.
100 and now I'm green 1,250. Was that something? No? Maybe not. No, I don't think that was anything. No, that wasn't anything. So yeah, they're two separate things. I thought he said... Yes. 185 off of pink. Nice. I know, I really need to get into those. Those are so heavy come October, November, Jonathan. $800 on... Look at the X. $800 on in the short for pink with one contract. Now, Irma, we need pictures, Irma. Also, you could do a GIF. Oh, really? Yeah, I've been saying that for a very long time. A very long time, Jonathan. The pinks and the blues, all of the scalpers, they were huge last year. October, November, December. That's why Santa was born, because it was Santa time. Santa's green, $775.
Order
NQ
submitted.
early hit twice. Yes, Nick. Yes, Nick. NQ early 2 for 2. ES early 2 for 2. RTY on zones is in a short. This. See, and look, RTY range had a loss, so I'm so glad we updated that. Is this not? Okay. And
Target filled.
it's maybe too fast for pictures. All right, target filled on this RTY zones short. Yeah, I don't know, Jonathan. Got out early of what? Of what? William already posted his. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like $700. Mike, 36, 9, 12, 15 on 2,000 for him. $1,000 for Brian. Evals, ES early, NQ early, all done for the day when targets are filled. Very nice. This is the pink trade that Irma is in on the pink scalper. Hold on, let me open this up a little bit so you guys can see the trade. It got short at 15,397, and it's green, $765, guaranteed green on this short. Very nice, very nice. Where? I want to look at the 20-minute chart. Almost. This other area of consolidation, what was it? It went to 50. 15,550. 210 on pink. I missed a drop. Oh my god. Oh, okay. What are you typing? I'm typing in the group to my students. Something about what I was seeing here. Moonshine said, "Nice thing to come back to when you get on break at work." For $760 for Moonshine. Very nice. Again, the Apex sale ends tomorrow. It's 80% off. You can get a fully funded Apex account, essentially a cash account, if you utilize, you know what I don't
Order
have on
submitted.
is YM zones are in a short. YM zones down here is in a short on the bottom.
Target filled.
Target filled on YM zones. YM zones is 2 for 2 today for $200. RTY is 2 for 2 today for $200. I need to update those. Jimmy, K. Lavender, Green Day, Red is Sim and Santa waiting to jump on the student play slow and steady with the algos. BoldBot for the win. Thank you, NQES Night and NQES Early. Jimmy, very nice. I love to see it. Okay, perfect. Good to know. Good to know. Is any college education man more valuable than a stock trader who's rich but can't hold a conversation? I don't know. I'm both. But I'm also not a man. I'm 2 of the 3. Nice food for thought. I don't think college is for everyone. Santa's in a $200. Silver Santa's in a $200 short. Well then, Van, you need to reset. That means you had a disconnect overnight. Do. All right, it is Monday. The only thing that's red on the day is that RTY range, which is now only a Thursday play. So I'm green, $1,250 on the day. Save 80. Jen will be live this afternoon. It's 9:53. I'm playing pickleball later today. Ooh, look at this move back up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, for sure, Laura. Playing pickleball. Do you not know what pickleball is, William? It's super white. My girlfriend Laura is like, she keeps trying to get me to play, and I'm like, okay, and then I haven't played. Oops, I need to make R2Y gray. What? Okay, cool. NQ early, 150. ES early. GC range, no trades. Where's GC range now? Mini tennis, yeah, essentially. Supposedly they get like intense though. Listen, I don't have time for that, okay? I do not. What was I looking for? Oh, gold. Oh, look at gold. Came right back to the zone, bounce up. Jason said lots of fun. Yes, I love how every person that doesn't know what pickleball is in white. Pickleball is like a combination. It's just tennis, but with smaller rackets and the ball. It's not a tennis ball. It's like the ball with the holes in it that your kids use when they're first learning baseball. What kind of ball is that? What is that called? I don't know. It has like the hole, it's like white, has the holes in it, but in pickleball, sometimes they're yellow. A wiffle ball. Wiffle ball. Yeah. Jen, I think I'd rather say wiffle. Yeah, anyway, so that's what they use. So it's a lot easier because, number one, you're not using like a a typical tennis racket and a tennis ball, which I guess is more labor intensive. Like, I guess it's easier to play pickleball. So then it's fun, and then people are getting exercise and whatever. Mostly old white people play it, but a lot of other people play it too. Like, there are a lot of young people getting into pickleball now. Hence my friend Laura, who's like 39, and she's like obsessed with it. And she like bought a freaking set and everything. I played tennis and ping pong. They just combined the two. Exactly. Pickleball is picking up popularity. Yeah, it really is. I think it started with just old people because it's easier for them to like manage. But now younger people are really into it. Wiffle ball. They're really into it. Everyone's putting wiffle ball everywhere. Look at this bounce off of 50 though. We like that. Where's Whitney at? She knows all about that. It's 9:56. We don't have any reports today. So we'll see if we get any other trades. NQ range is nowhere near. ES range is nowhere near. Gold, it could have, but it didn't. They take over YMCA gyms. Yeah, like even there's a church down the street from me, and they have like, you know, like on like churches have those signs that, you know, they put whatever, like God loves you or something. They have a sign that says pickleball daily. That's what their sign says in the church. I was like, oh, okay. So I need to fill in the R2Y zones are $200, YM zones $200. CL zones, I don't have any trades so far, but I did get that CL premium, which was really nice. Thanks for the follow, weirdo. It's kind of funny. No, look, then I'm going to get banned saying that I'm saying something mean about someone when that is your username. Pickleball. Yeah, and the court is smaller, too. So, again, not as much running, not as much stress on the joints. But they say to help with, like, balance and your equilibrium, playing, like, netted sports like tennis or even ping pong, like table tennis, regular tennis, or pickleball really helps with like your balance and equilibrium. Trigger 400. Oh well, on to the next trade. Do. Voice to text messed that one up for me. I believe it. All right, it's 9:58. I don't know. I'm going to wrap this stream up a little early. It seems like it's all just us hanging out. And I think we're pretty much done. I made $1,250. That was trading ES Night. We'll go through the trades again. ES Night here. NQ Early, which had 2 trades. NQ Night, which had 1 trade. So 3 for 3 on NQ. No trades on gold. Nothing on later yet. Also, I had the oil chop. This is the premium chop that is going to be rolled out soon. I'm just getting like 1 or 2 more updates done to it. That's going to be in the premium. It's called Bold Chop Premium. All of my students will still have Bold Chop, but this is slightly different. Happy to be back. I made $1,250, slightly higher, probably MES. 2 for 2. Nice. Very nice, Jonathan. Look, we're like twinsies. Twinsies. All right. My head is banging. YM hit target, $330. Mike has been loving this YM for sure. I'll take it. Bloop, bloop. All right, let's do a few quick little highlights to the members. We'll do some blooping here. Remember, this is all for entertainment. Please don't just try to copy us or do what we're doing. If you want more information on the algo, you can email us, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Jimmy, thank you, NQ ES Night, NQ ES Early. Very good, Jimmy. We'll put some eggs and some green apples up here. For K Lavender, 2468. Nice. Moonshine, that's where he came back from. I don't know what I'm missing here. No, I already had that. Oh, whatever. Brian, evals. He made $1,000 evaluation accounts on Apex. He's a student. He's a premium member. Let's go. NQ early, ES early. This is William. He's always in the chat. He's probably already at the gym by now. Look, Jen now is going to like yell at her, so she came into all this. Mike, all I heard was target filled. 200. 2, 4, 5, 8, 11. 16, 1700 for Mike. Nice job. All right, I'm going to post mine when I get off of here. Can you quickly explain the trailing loss? Oh, what on Apex? It's a trailing drawdown, not a trailing loss. It's a trailing drawdown. They have videos. Getting ready to go running. Nice. Yeah, it's a trailing drawdown. They have videos on their website. There's also a bunch, I think, on YouTube that explain it, but essentially just means you can't hit that trailing drawdown before you hit your profit. Oh, I had the R2 right there. I need to edit that. Before you hit your target. So if your target's $3,000 and the trailing drawdown is $2,500, you have to profit the $2,500 before hitting the you have to profit $3,000 before hitting the $2,500 drawdown. The drawdown comes into play whenever you're in profit. It doesn't actually matter like with the loss. So if you have losses, obviously that's going to go against your drawdown. But if you have like wins, say you're in a trade and you're green $1,000 and you close the trade out at $800, that extra $200 is going against your trailing drawdown. Karan, 3 for 3 today, $850. Nice job, Karan. Very good. I wonder. Remember, this is all for entertainment. The members in my group are leasing the algorithms and using them at their own risk. They have Apex accounts and or Lilu or Take Profit Trader or TradeNet, whatever, any of those. Or a cash account. If you want any more information, please reach out. Email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. I don't know. ES30 is not a thing. I don't even know what ES30 is. I think you mean YM. Isn't it YM30? I don't know what it is. Anyway, I don't trade forex. These are futures only. So I trade the Dow, the Russell, the NASDAQ, the S&P 500, oil, and gold. And I'm going to try to put some more in there. I know, Jonathan, I'm not sure what you're trying to put in there, but let's go. Let me pull whether to Lauren's second structure. Thank you, Karan. So sweet. All right, I'm going to wrap it up. I know it's a little early today, but I'm going to wrap it up here. Yeah, the S&P 500 is ES, so it's just ES. There's no numbers behind it. We're already 3 for 3 on ES on the day. We had a night trade, that was this, and we had 2 early trades. We had a long and we had a short. I am green $750 on ES on the day. Yep, 3 trades so far. 1 overnight and 2 this morning, and all winners. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. It's in the screen below. Wiffle ball. All right, have a good day. I'm going to get ready for my pickleball game. Hopefully, I don't break anything. And I hope you guys have a great day. Let's do it again tomorrow. Andon, I will be here. I hope you're... Oh, wait. Jen will be live at 2 p.m. Make sure you join Jen 2 p.m. on TikTok. Live_BoldBot. Pickle it up. Y'all. Make sure you join Jen. I'll probably be around 2, maybe at the second half of it, because I'm playing pickleball until 2. So then I will head back home. All right. Have a good day. Thanks for joining. Bye. Bye, YouTube.